course, to our students in Team Masios, specifically under the My subject, under Ma'am April Mangutara and Chef Aldrich Roa. And of course, kung wala'y support sa HTM family, wala po. So of course, our program head, Ma'am Jasmine Laput, and to our HTM family, salamat kayo, Ma'am and Sir. Thirdly, I would like also to thank Mayor Clarix Oy in officiating our mass wedding a while ago. And of course, to Lemkit Kai Center for having us this venue. Salamat Lemkit Kai! See you next year! And of course, sa tanan, dako kayo akong pasalamat sa mga exhibitors nga ako ang ipang message kay na-respond kitawag sila og ni support. I hope exhibitors nalipay mong tanan. Nalipay bang tanan? Okay. So, salamat kayo Ma'am Sir sa inyong support. Upon reading the feedback form nga gi-float sa amuang mga students from our expo committee and to our mass wedding nga ganiya, ang tanan nga mga feedback o remarks, puro tanan heartwarming. Salamat kayo mga Ma'am and Sir. So, because of that, kani support man mo, o gusto pa mo padayon, gusto pa ba ta mag-next year? Okay, so kung gusto pa ta mag-next year, pwede manindaw ang tanan? Okay, I am proud to present to you our 2024 Expo Kasaling Kasalan 2024! Wait. Kaya naaman tayo next year, natay pahalipay sa atong mga exhibitors. So from our exhibitors, muhatag taog tulong na pre-book next year. Okay, so we will draw the book by drawlats or ruleta. Spin the wheel there. Spin the wheel.
Okay.
So ang spin the wheel, kung pila ka book inyong gibook, mao'y number of chances of winning. So kung upat imo ang gibook, upat imong pangalan.
So mga to, wala nagtingog si Chef?
And now, let's spin the wheel for our first winner. A free booth for next year's Expo.
Free booth for next year's Expo. Our first winner is... Kaya ba sa wheel?
I-press ang center, Chef.
Pas ang toyok ang ruleta.
Wala, i-click na siya. I-click lang ka.
Ay, gawa.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Wala pa tayo winner.
Kaduha.
Ay, natin i-add. Alright, so again, no, palakpakan natin itong mga exhibitors. You guys, well, 3 of you will win a free booth for next year.
As a sign
Ayan.
of our gratitude for your participation for this year's Expo, again, 3 of our exhibitors will have a free booth for next year's Expo. Starting with...
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Ayan. Mag-start na ang bagong episode. Alright, so of course, no, since live ba ni siya, na yung mga technical issues.
Live pa ne?
Salamat di ay